Welcome to SureSolv. This is Atanu Chaudhary. In the second video in the series of algebra problem solving in a few steps, we will highlight two important algebraic problem solving techniques. By using these techniques, we'll solve three specially chosen problems quickly in a few steps. Let's solve the problems. The first problem is, if x equal to a multiplied by b minus c, y equal to b multiplied by c minus a, and z equal to c multiplied by a minus b, then x by a whole cube plus y by b whole cube plus z by c whole cube is option A 3xyz abc, option B xyz by 3abc, option C 3xyz by abc, and option D xyz by abc. At first look, the problem seems to be complex because of the large number of 6 variables x, y, z and a, b and c. But rest assured, almost always such problems can be solved very quickly. In this problem, when we compare the target expression with the given expressions, we find that the terms x by a, y by b and z by c can be created in the given expressions also. X by a equal to b minus c, y by b equal to c minus a, and z by c equal to a minus b. This is the first stage. And immediately when we get these values, we sum up the values to get the sum as 0. So x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 0. Imagine x by a equal to p, y by b equal to q, and z by c equal to r. So the result becomes p plus q plus r equal to 0, and the target expression pq plus qq plus rq. We know by 3 variable zero sum principle that if p plus q plus r equal to 0, then pq plus qq plus rq will be equal to 3pqr. Putting the values of pq and r back into the result of 3pqr, we get the answer as option C 3xyz by abc. The problem is solved wholly in mind. Of course, only if we know the 3 variable zero sum principle. Let's write down the steps. The given expressions are changed to x by a equal to b minus c, y by b equal to c minus a, and z by c equal to a minus b. Summation x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 0. Assuming x by a equal to p, y by b equal to q, and z by c equal to r, the result is p plus q plus r equal to 0, and the target expression is pq plus qq plus rq must be equal to 3pqr, as p plus q plus r equal to 0 equal to 3xyz by abc. Answer option C. Let us explain briefly how this result happens. P plus q plus r equal to 0 means p plus q equal to minus r, raising it to cubes, p plus q whole cube equal to minus r cube, expanding p plus q whole cube, p cube plus q cube plus 3pq multiplied by p plus q equal to minus r cube, results in p cube plus q cube plus r cube equal to 3pqr. P plus q equal to minus r. This is an important algebraic problem solving principle which you have to use often. If p plus q plus r equal to 0, you would know immediately that pq plus qq plus rq will be equal to 3pqr. P plus q plus r equal to 0 will result in p cube plus q cube plus r cube equal to 3pqr. Let's solve the next problem. The second problem is, if a cube minus b cube minus c cube equal to 0, then a to the power 9 minus b to the power 9 minus c to the power 9 minus 3a cube b cube c cube is option A 0, option B minus 11 by 4, option C minus 49 by 4, and option D 49 by 2. When we compare the similar terms of the given expression with the direct expression, we find that the term in the direct expression a to the power 9 is cube of the similar term of a cube in the given expression. Same is true for minus b cube and minus c cube. So we know that here also the three variable zero sum principle will work. This time we will take p equal to a cube, q equal to minus b cube, and r equal to minus c cube, so that p plus q plus r equal to 0. The given expression is transformed to p plus q plus r equal to 0. And the direct expression, p cube plus q cube plus r cube minus 3pqr. The result will be equal to 0. Option A 0. Solution very quick. Answer option A. Let's solve the third problem. This is a different kind of problem. This problem states, if a, b and c are real and a square plus b square plus c square equal to 2a minus b minus c minus 3, then 2a minus 3b plus 4c is option A 0, option B minus 1, option C 2, and option D 1. Comparing the two expressions, we find that there is no way we can transform the given expression to the direct expression. So there is only one possibility of finding the values of a, b and c from the given expression itself. Knowing how to do it, we immediately form the expressions a minus 1 whole square plus b plus 1 whole square plus c plus 1 whole square equal to 0 by rearranging the terms of the given expression. With this result, we conclude immediately that a equal to 1 and b equal to c equal to minus 1. Putting those values in the direct expression, we get the final result as 1, option D 1. That's the answer. The problem is solved, hold in mind. Let's write down the steps. Changing the given expression, a square minus 2a plus 1 plus b square plus 2b plus 1 plus c square plus 2c plus 1 equal to 0 results in a minus 1 whole square, as we have mentioned, plus b plus 1 whole square plus c plus 1 whole square equal to 0. This means that a minus 1 equal to b plus 1 equal to c plus 1 must be equal to 0. That results in a equal to 1, b equal to c equal to minus 1. Substituting 2a minus 3b plus 4c equal to 2 plus 3 minus 4 equal to 1. Option D. Now this principle is called the zero sum of square terms principle. If p square plus q square plus r square equal to 0, then p equal to q equal to r must be equal to 0. Because if any of these three variables p, q or r is negative, after squaring it will become positive. So unless each of these is 0, the sum of squares cannot be equal to 0. So this is an algebraic truth. We have used then two very important algebraic principles in solving these three problems quickly in a few steps. Subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.